that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me.
Hi guys, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back guys. So happy new year, yay! I can't believe it's already 2026 and this will be my first video of the year. I recently traveled, that's why you guys haven't heard from me or anything. That's why I haven't posted a video in over a month, because I traveled back home to Ghana. Exciting. I traveled back home to Ghana. I did not think about vlogging though, because I knew there was gonna be a lot of footage for me to edit. But yeah, like I came back a couple days ago. I'm back to reality. I was in Ghana for 3 weeks. I had a good time. I spent a lot of time with my family. I have family back home in Ghana and then I have some here as well. So I was able to spend a good amount of time with some of my family back there, as well as my friends, and just gallivanting. Like we were just like out and about. We were just like doing stuff. We were living our best lives. Like we were in Ghana, like come on. But with that being said, I'm sad, but at the same time I'm happy to be back home, because like nothing beats being in your own comfort and in your own space and just the independence that come with that. So I was excited about that part, but then again, like I missed my family, I missed my friends, I missed Ghana, I missed when I didn't have anything to do. Literally I didn't have to worry about anything. Like when you wake up in the morning, like there's food ready for you to eat. So yeah, I'm gonna miss that part about Ghana, but next year we're in there, okay? Or even this year again. Apparently there's supposed to be like a snowstorm tomorrow. The kind of weather that I came back to, by the way, now that I am not excited about, because why is it in the single digits? Like why is it like 9 degrees? Insane. I was looking on TikTok and apparently, like, you know how like people are, whenever there's like storms like these coming, a lot of people ransack everything from the grocery stores. So I literally don't have anything. Like I don't have water, I don't have anything to cook with. So I think I might go to Target today. I am gonna go to either Kroger or Target to get me most of my produce and water for me to cook something for the week ahead, because I start work next week. So just want to make sure that I have everything down packed and ready to go for the week. So I made a to-do list of all the stuff that I need to get. So hopefully it can focus so you guys can see. I have to go get water, and then I have to go to Ulta to get a hair gel that I've been seeing. It's from Beyonce's like hair care line, and I heard that her oil is really good for your edges. Guys, like my edges is struggling, so I feel like I need to find something for it before it goes at the back of my head, okay? And then I gotta do some cart maintenance as well. I was contemplating on doing this before I left to Ghana, but honestly, like I didn't get any time. I have to go get my car headlights fixed. I have to get a car wash, and then hopefully I can get an oil change as well. I'm gonna do all that today, because tomorrow the storm is quote unquote supposed to be coming. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna end up making some matcha. I haven't made matcha in a while, of course, because I traveled. But when I went to Ghana, I tried some good matcha, and honestly guys, the best matcha I think I've had ever. And I also tried some not too good matcha, but yeah, I'm gonna make me some matcha and then I'm gonna get ready to head out. So yeah guys. So good. All right guys, so I'm all done now. I'm about to head out. This is the fit. This is what we're working with. It's super cold outside, so you know, we got to keep it a little casual. We got to keep it a bit cute. And yeah, I'm gonna go find a jacket and put that on, and then I'm gonna go put my Birks on, and then we're gonna head out and begin our day. I think I might want to go to the car dealership first, I mean the mechanic first, to get my lights changed, because I think they close super early. So I'm gonna do that first before I do the rest of my rounds for the day. So yeah, it's currently like 1:20 something. It's gonna get dark soon, daylight savings. So let's head out. I gotta make sure I pack my bag and put like everything in there. I'm gonna be taking this bag because I plan on filming. Fingers crossed, guys, because y'all know how I am with filming outside. So hopefully I can get you guys some footages. If not, when I come home is when I'm gonna have to update you guys. But I think 2026, I want to get over that fear of vlogging in public, because like I have to vlog, like I have to get these footages for you guys. We have to give a little bit change to our vlog so it doesn't look the same all the time and boring. So I'm gonna try, fingers crossed, to film. So pray for me, guys. But I have to go. $60, and I'm trying to see if I want to get it or not, because if it doesn't make sense, I don't think I'll get it. $56 for some oil? That's crazy. I hope you guys can hear me. See, I'm trying, okay? I think I'm gonna make an impulsive decision right now. I think we're gonna get it. Crazy.
What's the kind of card today? Not to 3. Okay, and then cash or card?
Card.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Hey, great, rest your day. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so I made it home and I'm super hungry. I tried to get me something to eat, but I think this year I want to do better with cooking. I know how to cook, but I want to be able to cook more and not always get like fast food or get food from outside. I was literally gonna go grab me some Chick-fil-A. I missed Chick-fil-A so much when I was in Ghana, but when I got back, I'm like, I have to cook. So I contemplated for a while to get some Chick-fil-A, but I think I'm gonna end up cooking some egg stew, my signature. And just eat it with some rice. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, but I think I have some leftovers from Firebirds yesterday that I want to heat up real quick and eat, and then I'm gonna cook tomorrow. But yeah, I was able to get everything that I wanted to get outside. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys my sacred oil that I was contemplating on getting, but I ended up getting it anyway. I want to be able to like grow out my edges as well this year. I'm not sure, but like at some point I had edges, and by the time I realized my edges were gone. I'm not sure what happened. I recently did some blood work and it came back that my iron is pretty low, and I think that's one of the reasons why my edges are literally non-existent. Of course, I'm taking my iron meds and stuff like that, but I want to be able to like speed up the process a little bit with my edges and stuff. But guys, the iron meds were really not doing me good. Like if you take iron, you know those pills are not comfortable to take at all. Like, it messes with your whole stomach, it messes with everything. So I am taking the Mary Ruth oil supplement, iron supplement. I digress. That's the reason why I got this oil for my edges, because my iron levels are low and I think they are impacting my edges growing and stuff. Oh, I'm just gonna go ahead and just put all these stuff away and heat up my food real quick and then try to finish watching His and Hers. Guys, you know what? I'm not even gonna speak about it because the amount of spoilers that I've been seeing about that show is not by choice. Okay, so yeah, and then yeah, okay, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, so I'm gonna go munch on my food and then watch my show, and then I'll come back to you guys and update you on what's next. Bye. It's Monday, January the 26th. I start work today. Well, I'm actually working. I'm working from home. Fortunately for me, the storm is still ongoing. I did not go into office today. My manager was kind enough to let us work from home. And I feel like even if he didn't let us work from home, I was gonna use PTO anyway, because there's no way I'm gonna be driving in this storm. It's pretty bad out there. It's so bad, guys. I've been on the phone with HR for the longest because for some reason they messed up my whole leave of absence when I was on vacation. So your girl did not get paid and I'm trying to figure out why. I cooked yesterday. I cooked some rice and egg stew, like my signature. You guys know that's all I know how to make. That's not all I know how to make, by the way. I can cook other stuff. I'll get back to you guys when I have anything interesting that I'm doing.